All right, I'm going to do 22, 26, and 29, and this is all given these four functions, and we're performing a composition of functions. So on number 22, we have f of g of 3. So we always want to evaluate whatever function is in the inside first. So I'm going to now just ignore the f for now and focus on function g and evaluate g of 3. So g of 3 is 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So I need to take that value, 5, and plug that into function f. So if I plug 5 into function f, f of 5 is equal to 5 squared minus 1, which is 25 minus 1, or 24. Okay, now looking at 26, notice now it's g of f of x. There's no value for us to plug in for x, but we're plugging function f of x into function g of x. So what that means is we're going to take f of x, which is equal to x squared minus 1, and we're going to plug that function into g of x. So I'm going to take this entire highlighted portion here and plug it in to the x value in g of x. So if I were to do that, I'm going to rewrite this, but I'm going to plug in x squared minus 1 where I see the x. So x squared minus 1 is substituted for x, and then I still have the plus 2. That becomes x squared plus 1. Let's look at another one similar to that where we're plugging h of x into f of x. So now if I take h of x, so let's use a different color here. So I'm going to use h of x, which is 2x minus 1. That's kind of hard to see now, but let's take this and plug it into the x right here in f of x. So I'm going to plug it into this on the f of x. So if I did that, instead of x squared, I'm going to write this entire thing, 2x minus 1 squared, instead of x squared, minus 1. Be very careful right here. This is not equivalent to 4x squared minus 1. It's not equivalent to 4x squared plus 1. You actually have to evaluate this by multiplying 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1, and then subtracting 1 once you're done with it. So this would give me, if I did FOIL, 4x squared minus 2x plus 1, and then I need to subtract 1. So combining like terms, that gives me 4x squared minus 4x, and then the 1's cancel out.